playing Roblox and okay, wait a second. I need to hold on. I need to put it down first. Let me actually put up my website because this obviously contains some ads and some commercials, so that's why I'm gonna put it. So our challenge is to actually make our car so destroyed that even no one will survive without our engine getting destroyed, okay? You know it now? Okay. Okay. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Ready. I made it ready, not ready. Okay. So okay. Yes, I'm gonna put my volume down. The other, this too loud. Great, okay. So then, I think you can not hear me. I think. There, we're back. Oh my God, look at the back. Like so destroyed. Run, this is run. Oh, hold on, No, I didn't restart. Okay, I hope there's no ads. What happened? The tech? Oh, great. I hope my record. I hope the recording would actually like done being recorded. Because I've been too. I'm getting mad. Okay, it's my recording on. Nope. My voice is stuck now. But look at this car. I don't think we can actually drive there now. Oh, yes. Oh, back this God, so I can Oh yeah, it's stuck because of my wheel. It's not here. And we have another rod. I think so. Yep, we have another rod. What the heck? It's so good. I'm sorry, what the heck is this art? What's this art? I'm using light like a design. What the? Next. I'm not interested. Okay, come on. Sun, okay. Well, this guy actually tried a lot. How did I got destroyed? I mean, we only got get it, but how? I was pushing only the back. Let's go. How to that's because of the back, but how will right? Yeah, but that's I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the art. I don't know. I know the art. Yep. What is this now? Per kadak time. Guys, gutom name. Sam, OG, ako rin. Tara, chicken McDo. Ayoko. I don't want to. Oh, and another run. Oh, I have bad luck. I think so. I have bad luck. I don't know. Because of the game, I don't know. I have bad luck. I don't know. Look at that. Look at airbag. Look at Look at the blood of the airbag. Look at that. It's out of the window. What the? Okay. No, and another rod. I think, yeah.
Things happen here. No one really
I
talks
just
about it.
wanna do the challenge. I started doing this again. What the heck? It's Willis and we're in 20. What the?